Hey everyone, Dorian here to give you the latest on what's happening in the NEAR ecosystem. This is NEAR Bytes. Today on the agenda we have the first NEAR-SDK-JS tutorial live on YouTube, details on the latest release of NEAR Core, updates on the community-backed protocol discussions, info into SpinFi's partnership with Axelar, and lastly, information on Roketo's upcoming hackathon. With that, let's get started. Pagoda's very own Austin Abel and Ben Couric created the very first tutorial for the newly released NEAR-SDK-JS. This is the SDK that makes it possible to write a smart contract in JavaScript. The tutorial is a great and short introduction into the SDK in which you will learn how to set up your decentralized application with a JavaScript smart contract by building a coin flipping application. I went through it myself, and I know I'm biased, but I found it to be a very good starting point to utilize this new tool. The most exciting thing is, and it's a note I've mentioned a few times, is that this is all done in JavaScript. I mean, you don't have to learn another language to get started on this tutorial. Head over to the video up here, also linked in description to check it out. And remember to leave a comment on that video about your experience with the NEAR-SDK-JS. Our team wants to connect with the community and wants to hear your feedback on it so we can continue to improve our tools. Important news for validators on the NEAR platform will mention this latest release of NEAR Core. First, the validators now be assigned to blocks and chunks separately now that the chunk-only producer feature has been stabilized. Next, the validator uptime kickout threshold has been reduced to 80%. Improvements to the performance of the protocol include more efficient logics on forwarding chunks to validators, in which approvals and partially encoded chunks are now sent multiple times, which should reduce stalls due to lost approvals that can occur when the network is under high load. Lastly, the testnet release for Phase 1 of NEAR sharding mechanism is still on track to be online on the mainnet next month. NEAR is creating more ways for the community to get involved with contributing to the improvements of the protocol and smart contract standards. So welcome to the NEP Working Groups. A little background, everyone in the community is encouraged to propose, discuss, and improve the NEAR protocol standards and take place in the NEP process. NEP stands for the NEAR Enhancement Proposal, which is a design document that provides information to the NEAR community or describes a new feature for the NEAR protocol or smart contract standards. These standards play a key role in providing the infrastructure for decentralized applications across NEAR, such as how the chain recognizes NFTs and fungible tokens, how the chain interacts with smart contract logic, and how smart contracts interact with each other, and more. If you're interested in taking part in some of the discussions that help shape the most fundamental operations of the NEAR ecosystem, you can join the first working group on August 22nd at 5 p.m. UTC by registering the link provided in the description below. You can also stay up to date on working group meetings by going to near.org/workinggroups. SpinFi has announced its partnership with Axelar, which will enable Web3 users to connect to SpinFi via Ethereum, BNB Chain, Aurora, and other EVM-compatible networks to trade on-chain perpetual contracts, DOVs, and more. If you're unfamiliar with SpinFi, they are a DeFi-derivative infrastructure built on NEAR and also holds the title as NEAR's first project to offer an on-chain order book solution. This enables users to change various types of assets with varying levels within the DeFi space, including, but not limited to, perpetual and quarterly futures, power perpetuals, floor perpetuals, options, fixed yield, and more. If you like an in-depth look into SpinFi and what they offer from a consumer perspective, I would highly recommend watching this video by Alpha Leaks with ABV. I really enjoyed listening to his thoughts on SpinFi and the benefits of decentralization within exchanges, and I think you will too. If you'd like more information on the SpinFi and Axelar announcement, you can check out the link in the description below to get a link to the announcement. Last but not least, the team at Roketo is organizing a gaming-oriented hackathon this month called the Web3 Game Online Hackathon. Register to join the hackathon and join the challenge to build a game in just 7 days, and not only is this a great opportunity to grab one of the 3 prizes offered to the top 3 projects, it's also a great chance to get warmed up for NEARCon's hackathon. You guys can find more information in the link in the description below to join and have some fun. Thank you guys so much for watching. That's all we have for you guys today. Remember to buy your NEARCon tickets. I'm going to see you guys there and have some fun in Lisbon with you. And with that, remember to like, subscribe, and comment below, and have a wonderful day. I'll see you guys next time.